we're going to start with the red wire, and for this I like to use my bent nose needle nose pliers. So I'm just going to place it right over the positive and start to apply heat to the top. It shouldn't take too long for this solder to begin to flow, and we don't want it to take too long, but it'll heat up that wire and the tin on the pad. And that should be about it. Just give it a little tug, and that's secure there. Make sure that it is not going to touch that pad. Next, take our black wire, hold it with our pliers. Again, repeat the same thing. Make sure you don't have any flyaway wires. And make sure it doesn't touch the other red wire. And just apply heat till the solder flows all the way through the wire and down to the pad. It only takes a few moments. And that's that. We have now secured our pigtail to our quadcopter. Oh! That was a bad solder joint. Let's do that again. Let's do it this way. If you're in doubt that you've got a good connection, feel free to just add a little bit more solder. It won't hurt anything. Just to flow a little bit more solder. And it should also be nice and shiny just like that. If it doesn't look shiny, that's what we call a cold joint, and that would be bad. And we've got a nice, give it a nice tug, and this is really secure. That's not going anywhere. And we're now ready to get to the next step.